What do you do when you find a geocaching.com trackable? You have two options: move it to another cache, or simply discover it. If you want to move the trackable to another cache, you don't have to leave anything in its place as long as you are willing to help it on its journey. Look up the tracking code at geocaching.com/track, or search for it on Groundspeak's geocaching application. This will take you to the trackable's dedicated page where you can see its goal and log that you've retrieved it. If the trackable is not yet logged into the cache where you found it, give the previous holder a few days to drop the trackable online. When you physically place the trackable in another cache, log the movement by dropping the trackable when writing your Found It log. Much of the joy of owning a trackable is being able to follow its journey, so it's important to log their movements online. When you've seen a trackable in person but have not moved it, you can log that you've discovered it. To do so, you'll need to write down the trackable's tracking code. For more information about trackables, visit geocaching.com/track.